Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. We got a fresh in stock 2025 Yamaha 255XE. This is the surf edition. You're gonna have all your ballast tanks, your wake shaping systems, all integrated right into the boat. This one we have in the suede gray color. Comes with the galvanized trailer, nice powder coated arch on it with the bimini top. That's all adjustable. I'll show you about that when we get inside. Coming around to the back here, you'll notice we have an awesome swim platform, very spacious, easy on in and out. Telescoping ladder here in the center. Underwater gear with your wake shapers underneath, all automatic tabs. Coming up on in, you'll notice some of the features back here. We got a stereo head there, easy accessible when you're at the sandbar. Nice comfortable spots to sit. People think these are like calf cushions. These are actually backrests for when you're sitting on the swim platform out at the sandbar, just anchored out. Coming in through the walkthrough, you'll see you got storage on either side of these seat backs. Plenty of room. These also slide. So if you want to make these into a lounger when you're in the back, or slide them forward when you're in the cockpit, make a little bit more space inside. It's an awesome feature. Walking in again, tons of room. You got a seat back here. I missed that part, but that slides in. You got this seat back and your seat bottom there. Slides right in and snaps in. Storage underneath all your seats. You'll notice here we have a nice big wet bar. This flips into a extended table. Give yourself a little bit more room. Put some snacks or drinks out. You also have a huge glove box here. Nice that it latches. Dedicated storage spot for your igloo cooler. All snap-in flooring, really easy to clean. This arch is also foldable. I like this version of it because it's got these clamps rather than the screws. It's just much easier to get in and out and up and down. Swiveling board racks here, all the way in and all the way out. And this bimini top here, it also swivels. So if you like it angled a little bit different, you want to tip it up or down, you can put it in the position so you can get the sun out of your eyes or just make it work for you a little bit better. Coming up towards the helm station on the passenger side, these will swivel, slide, and recline. You got armrests on them too. Over on the passenger side as well, you got a nice big glove box here. Double glove box. You also have spacious storage compartment. You'll see down there we have the table for it. That'll mount in either the swim platform inside the boat here, up in the bow. Can also put a porta potty in there and doubles that as a full-size head. Over here, you got a nice flip-up mirror, panoramic view, tilt steering wheel, massive touchscreen display. This is gonna have your mapping, all of your surf controls on it. You can control your radio through there too. Bluetooth connectivity. You also have a nice rotary encoder over here. If you don't want to use a touchscreen, you can just reach over and use that. Push button start. Also have a built-in wireless phone charger, some analog gauging, and nice digital throttle here. Easy in and out of gear. Really easy to handle. Over on the captain's side then, this one will also swivel, slide, and recline. In addition, this one's got the bolster to it too. So it's nice that it's flush. It really boosts you up, gives you a good vantage point when you're parking, driving the boat. Also, this one's got massive in-floor storage, or again, I said this is a surf edition, so you do have your ballast tanks down there as well. You got one in the center here, and two on either side underneath the seats in the back. And then moving on up, super deep seating area up here. Really high seat backs, feels really secure. You got storage underneath both of these seats here. You also have filler cushions that fill out this whole portion here to make it into a full bed. And then also, these will flip out if you want a little footwell for yourself. And on the 25 footers, they come with the bow telescoping ladder and anchor slot storage compartment, so it's all dedicated. This gets used more than you think. It's a really nice feature. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys are interested, give us a call, send us an email, or visit us at the store here. We'd love to see you. Thanks for watching. See you soon.